In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs in CapCut Video Editor, if you want to make your videos more fun, more expressive, or just a little more eye-catching. Adding a GIF is one of the easiest ways to do it. This works great for animated stickers, meme reactions, arrows, and other moving elements that help highlight something on screen. The nice part is that CapCut on PC already has a built-in way to find and insert GIFs, so you do not need to leave the editor or download anything separately. To get started, go to the top left area of CapCut and click on the Stickers tab. Once that opens, look over to the category list on the left sidebar. Scroll down through the available options until you find the Giphy section, then click on it. This opens CapCut's built-in GIF search tool, which makes the whole process quick and convenient. Now click into the search bar at the top and type in the kind of GIF you want to use. For example, you might search for something like an arrow, a reaction animation, or a meme-style graphic that matches the tone of your video. After that, browse through the moving results and take a moment to find one that fits well with your content. When you find a GIF you like, click the blue plus icon on the thumbnail. CapCut will instantly place it onto your timeline as an overlay layer. Once the GIF appears on your timeline, click to select that layer, then move to the center preview window where you can adjust how it looks on screen. Use the corner handles to make the GIF smaller or larger, depending on how prominent you want it to be. You can also drag it around and position it exactly where it should appear in the frame. This is especially useful if you want the GIF to point at something, react to a moment, or sit neatly in a corner without blocking important parts of your video. If you want to control how long the GIF stays visible, go back down to the timeline and drag the edges of the GIF layer. Shortening it will make the animation disappear sooner, while extending it will keep it on screen longer. This gives you simple timing control, so the GIF appears exactly when you need it. And that's it. You've added an animated accent directly inside CapCut using its native search engine, and your video is ready to feel more dynamic and engaging.